Welcome back to part 2 of our series on cultural alignment. Today we're focusing on the community level, which essentially means the collective staff and teams within your organization. So what's at risk when teams are misaligned? Well, we're talking about siloed thinking, a lack of collaboration, and even outright conflict between departments. I'm Jen Wilson, founder of Jen Wilson International. With years of experience leading global teams and coaching top-tier entrepreneurs, I'm here to help you cut through the noise, clear the fog, and bring your vision into life. When teams operate in isolation or develop their own subculture, it actually weakens the organization's overall unity and creates inefficiencies. But there are practical ways to solve this, and that's what we're exploring today. So let's start with the risks. When teams are misaligned, they often start to form silos. Each team may create its own subculture that prioritizes their own objectives over the company's larger mission. This leads to duplication of effort, where one team doesn't know that the other is working on it. This results in wasted time and energy. But it's not just inefficiency that's at risk. When teams operate in isolation, communication breaks down. Teams start to develop a us versus them mentality, and this can lead to conflict. Differing values, priorities, and lack of clarity about shared goals can create misunderstandings, which erodes trust between departments. Now let's talk about solutions. The first step is fostering collaboration through team building activities. These initiatives should involve cross-departmental groups working together towards a shared goal. The more opportunities you create for employees from different teams to collaborate, the more you break down those silos. Another solution is implementing unified communication platforms. These platforms ensure that everyone in the organization has access to the same information, promoting transparency and reducing the likelihood of misunderstandings. Regular all-hands meeting, cross-team updates, or even digital platforms that allow for open communication can make a huge difference. And finally, we need to align the incentive programs. If your reward system only recognizes individual achievements or departmental success, you'll reinforce siloed thinking. Instead, reward collaboration, teamwork, and alignment with cultural values. When teams see that working together benefits everyone, they're more likely to break out of their silos. So by encouraging cross-departmental collaboration, implementing unified communication tools, and aligning incentive programs, we can solve the problem of team misalignment. When teams are aligned, we create a culture where collaboration thrives, silos disappear, and the company's mission becomes everyone's shared focus. In our next video, we'll be exploring how misalignment at the organizational level impacts your overall strategy and culture, and what we can do to fix it. I'll see you then.